My God. Yeah.
Good afternoon, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel. Today is indeed Tuesday, October 15th, 2019. And it has been approximately 1 month since we brought you guys our last video update on growing early purple sprouting broccoli, a product of Baker Creek Heirloom seeds. We received these seeds from our dear friend Holly up at the Red Shed up in Cleveland, Ohio. And if you're not currently a member of her family of subscribers on her page, please click on this link right here at the top of this video. Hop over to her page and see what she's growing there in her garden in Cleveland, Ohio as well. At any rate, YouTube, I'm about to flip this camera around for you guys. We're going to take a walk over to our 2-foot by 4-foot Hugo Cut Your Garden planter and take a look at exactly what has happened in the last 30 days with our early purple sprouting broccoli. And finally, on another note, YouTube, we are indeed getting rain here at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel. The drought is truly officially over. It's been raining since about 2 a.m. this morning. A light, soaking, much needed sprinkle, that good soaking and not rain that runs off. We've been getting that good soaking rain here since about 2 o'clock this morning. So we are indeed having a light sprinkle out there, but I'm going to go ahead and hop out there for a few minutes and show you guys what's going on with our early purple sprouting broccoli and what has happened in that 2-foot by 4-foot Hugo Cut Your Garden planter in the last 30 days. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, as you can see, the ground is wet, and we are indeed getting a nice sprinkle here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, an ongoing sprinkle that has indeed been going on since about 2 a.m. this morning. At any rate, if you recall from our last video update on growing early purple sprouting broccoli, this is what our broccoli looked like in our last video update. Bam! Is that purple sprouting broccoli, the overwintering variety, looking fantastic here in our 2-foot by 4-foot Hugo Cut Your Garden planter, YouTube? And this is what it looks like now, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Did you guys see that? Is that broccoli looking good or what? I cannot be more pleased by what I see at this point with our purple sprouting broccoli and our 2-foot by 4-foot Hugo Cut Your Garden planter. Again, we planted this broccoli about a month and a half ago almost, and it's been about 30 days since we brought you guys our last video update. And as you guys can see, a lot has changed in this planter. The cooler weather has indeed set in, and once that cooler weather did begin to set in here, our broccoli really began to show off in this planter. We planted 2 rows of this early purple sprouting broccoli. We came through, we thinned our seedlings out, way out. Actually, we planted, we didn't expect to have as tremendous a germination as we did have in this planter, so we thinned our plants out a little bit. We left the best of the best looking seedlings in this planter, and this is what has happened in approximately 30 days since our last video update with our early purple sprouting broccoli. And if you recall from our first video upload on this particular planter, this variety is an overwintering variety meant to be planted in the fall and harvested in the spring. So we're really excited about growing this broccoli here in our garden area. It's a first time planting and growing of this particular variety for us. We're really looking forward to seeing exactly how this grow experiment turns out. Again, we will be harvesting this broccoli sometime in early spring if things go well and we don't get too harsh a winter here. And we're not really too much worried about garden pests over the fall and winter months. Spring and summer garden pests are horrendous here, but the fall and winter months we don't have that much of an issue with garden pests here in our garden. So we're looking forward to some tremendous growth from these plants and a nice production at the end of the growth season for these plants. At any rate, YouTube, if you are indeed currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video. that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah. Our early purple sprouting broccoli, a product of Baker Creek Heirloom seeds, a gift to us from our dear friend Holly at the Red Shed in Cleveland, Ohio. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
My God. Yeah. Yeah. I see the same things, it's just a different day. Life is a struggle down here in the city where I stay. I see the same people walking the same streets. Down on the corner, I see pushers, pros, and dope fiends. I wonder if they know that there's a better way. My God, I know you see what's happening down here where I stay. We rob and kill each other. We prey on our own race. It brings me so much pain, and we need to make a change. I often dream about it, waking up in the middle of the night, saying prayers for this cold world, asking God to make it all right. We need to come together, but yet we stand apart. Every time I see another brother die, each time I swear it breaks my heart. Yeah.